Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple ads inside a single ad set in Facebook Ads Manager. This is super useful when you want to test different creatives, headlines, or formats without creating a whole new ad set. So let's jump right into it. Right now, we're on the home screen of Facebook Ads Manager. I've already created a simple campaign with one ad set and one ad. What we're going to do now is open this campaign, go inside the ad level, and start adding more ads to it. So I click on the Edit button, and now you can see the ad we created earlier. We haven't fully completed this ad yet, but that's completely fine, because today's focus is just learning how to create multiple ads, not filling out every detail. Let's start by renaming this one to Ad 1, just so everything stays organized. Now, there are two main ways you can add more ads to the same ad set. Method 1, duplicate the ad. The first and easiest way is simply duplicating your existing ad. Click on the three dots next to your ad and choose Duplicate. When you do this, Facebook will create a copy of the entire ad. The media, the primary text, the headline, the call to action, everything. This is perfect when you want the structure to stay the same, but maybe change a small detail like the image, video, or the first line of text. It saves a lot of time and keeps your ad testing process clean and fast. Now, the second option is creating a completely new ad from scratch. To do this, go to the ad set level, click on the three dots on the right side, and scroll down until you see Create Ad. Click on it. This will open a brand new empty ad. Here you'll need to manually add your images or videos, your text, your headline, everything. It's a clean slate. And if you want another one, just repeat the same steps and click Create Ad again. This method is great if you want ads that look totally different from each other. And that's basically it. That's how you can easily create multiple ads inside one ad set using either the duplicate option or the create ad option. It's simple, it's fast, and it's the best way to test different creatives in your campaigns. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.